What's going on, everybody? It's that time again. We have another unboxing for you today on Dubs Guitars. Before we unbox this thing, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, follow the channel. Helps us out a ton. Thanks so much. You know we love you. Let's get this thing open today. All right. There it is. A TC Electronic Spark Mini Booster. That is a great small little box. Let's get this thing open and see what we're working with. Okay. Excellent. So we got some little double-sided tape foam pads. It's nice. There it is. Looks really good. So we would put the foam pads there, here in these indentations, or we could put probably Velcro on there for the board. That's a really nice smooth switch. And let's check the pot. Really, really nice. 9-volt in and out. All in all, a pretty nice looking pedal. All right, let us know what you think in the comment section below. Again, give us a follow, like, subscribe. We appreciate y'all. We'll see you in the next one.